Hello, Alyssa from Rocket City, Huntsville.
Alabama.
My daughters, Amelia and Olivia, just love you. My question is, what is the biggest, most impressive, kid-friendly experiment I can do with a 4 and an 8-year-old that will keep them interested in science for years to come? We love a good bang and aren't afraid of getting dirty.
Ooh.
Wow.
Okay. That's full carte blanche there.
That's a loaded one because 4-year-olds getting with a bang, it makes me nervous. But I think if you have adults involved, you could do the exploding paint can experiment, which is really fun.
That sounds
okay.
So,
what?
yeah.
You know, hey, with a 4-year-old and an adult, why not play with some paint?
Wait. The way she said it. Yeah, everybody knows the exploding paint can.
Well, I picture it that they could help you set it up and then the adult would actually trigger the reaction. So it's very simple. You just need a paint can, empty, never had paint in it before. Put about an inch of baking soda at the bottom.
Okay.
Take a cup, plastic cup, fill it with vinegar, food coloring if that's your flavor, and then nestle the cup into the baking
Food coloring
soda.
into the vinegar.
Into the vinegar,
Yes.
yep, in the liquid. And then you can put the cup of vinegar into the baking soda. So like nestle it in like a sandcastle.
Right, okay.
Then you're going to put the lid on the paint can, use a mallet to hammer it shut. You want it completely shut, no place for gas to escape. Now get the kids out of there. They can go far away, put their safety goggles on. Then adults also with safety goggles on.
Always safety goggles.
Yeah, shake it up, but keep your head back because what will happen is a neutralization reaction. You'll release carbon dioxide, just like we were talking about earlier with the Mentos and Diet Coke. Yep, exactly.
It's gonna be a
Boom.
psst,
And
yeah.
then the lid flies up. It's really colorful. It's cute.
Now
it
wait a
makes
minute,
a
but
noise.
But why doesn't
you
that
got to
happen?
sit it down afterwards, right? You can't hold that
Yeah,
thing.
you should put it down.
Yeah,
Yeah, good point.
yeah.
Well, how do you know when it's about to blow up?
It happens very fast. So what I do is I go shake, 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 and I slam it down on the table, and then I step back, and then I move on to my next one. And while I'm shaking my second one, the first one goes off.
Wow.
Okay. So why doesn't? So I thought paint can lids were stronger than that. I think paint can lids are tight, especially if you mallet it shut. But apparently not.
Not enough, 'cause
It's no match for CO2.
Exactly, because
Okay.
it's not secured, it's not locked in, and so
It's
you
not
have,
clamped.
It's not clamped, exactly. So if you have all those CO2 molecules coming in, going bop, bop, bop in that lid, it will shoot it straight up in the air. It's very fun.
Wow.
I love that one.
And that happens in seconds.
Yeah.
And the only reason why you put it in a small plastic cup is to keep it separate long enough to hit the lid.
Exactly. And
Because
what's-
otherwise, it will escape. All the expanding gas will escape before you
Before you
get a
have
chance
a
to
chance to-
mallet it down.
Okay.
Exactly.
So when you nestle it in like that, you keep everything separate, you mallet it down, now you mix it, bang.
and you throw it up first, so the liquid's going to go up, and then it all slams down at one time. And so when you shake it, it actually really nicely distributes the vinegar all over. It grabs that baking soda, and then you get the cool acid-base neutralization reaction.
All right.
Very fun. But keep your head back. Keep your head back because you could get hit in the face.
Yeah, see, I'm going to let my kid do that.